Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Engagebay. So first off, guys, what you wanna do is enter your email address in this blank. So here I just put it in, and after entering your email address carefully, you just click on get started, and here guys, you'll see that it's really simple. Let's set our name to NetTech and enter our password. So after that, we'll just enter our phone number also real quick and enter our website URL. I don't think that this is necessary, but I'll just see. Let's see. Okay, so let's say that our website is www.nettech111.com, and that's it guys. So let's sign up and let me show you the Engagebay CRM. So this is the main page guys. We can see that here we can see the marketing tab, the contacts, forms, landing pages, templates, campaigns, and visitor tracker. So first off, we can here's a tutorial onboarding. We can add contacts, send email broadcasts and everything, but we don't need that, so we'll just skip it. And we'll see right here guys that we don't have contacts right here, but we can edit this report. We can edit it, and we can also import contacts. Okay, we don't really need this. So here guys, we can import a CSV. We can migrate the contacts, and we can create a contact. So I will create a contact, which name it will be Bryce, and his last name it will be James. His email, it's his primary email, and you can just add it. You can set his role, his tax, his company, his phone number, website, and everything guys. But this is enough what I've already entered. So here is it, our first contact. It's Bryce James. We can add a review on him. We can set it to 5 stars. I'll just set it to 15. And just let's see the list we have. We can create a list. Like our lists now will be list 1. Don't worry, and it will be a static list. We don't need all these things, and we can create a contact here. Like we have a contacts list. We can have a manage list, and let me also show you the forms. We can create a form like let's say that's an embed form. We can here choose the template. Select this black template the most because it's visually appealing for me, and we can just fill out this thing now. Are you requesting verification on behalf of the third party? Let's say no. Also, I think that we can we can edit these things. So there's a general information tab that we can edit, like we can call it bro info 101. Here's the name, here's the first name, last name, date of birth, address, phone, and we can just edit these things and set the submit button. Everything is everything is editable, don't worry guys. You just have to be a little bit more you just have to have a little bit more knowledge to the IT sector to know these things. We also have landing pages, we also have templates. There are email templates, video templates, and SMS templates. We also have campaigns, like an email broadcast campaign, an email SMS broadcast campaign, an sequence campaign, an automations campaign, and a workflows campaign. We can also create a contact, a DO, and task, and make calls. But we don't need this thing, guys, for now. Okay, I'll show you guys how to make a call right here. So you can add a number right here, like this one, and before calling someone you have to you just have to enable this function. Like we can enable Slack, enable Google Meet, Booka, on Booka, or LinkedIn, Ring Central, or all these kinds of providers. But yeah guys, so let me just show you the pricings right now. So there are 4 plans, four categories: an all-in-one plan, a marketing plan, a CRM and sales bay, and a service bay plans. So service bay is currently in beta. CRM and sales bay, there are monthly. You can buy them monthly, yearly, or biennial. And biennial is the most expensive, the most cheap one I meant. I'm sorry guys. And the monthly is the most expensive one. That is usually how it is. And the basic one, as always, has the least amounts of the least amount of gadgets that the other ones have, and the pro version has the most, and it also is like this in the other plans. So I think that this wraps it up for the video. I wish you guys all a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.